From the home page, navigate to the job page. On the job page, select the job you want to export, then click the Export button. Here, you can choose the default export, which contains only the binary result files, such as iOLM, TRC, or SOR files. You can also select all files, which includes attachments, reports, and pictures. Once the export is ready, you will be prompted to save it to your computer. The zip archive contains separate folders for each test type included in the job. It also contains the binary files, the JSON files, and the pictures attached to each result. The archive also includes any reports generated by the test unit. To learn more about EXFO Exchange, please visit docs.exfoexchange.com.